In this tutorial I will be showing you on how you can create eyes and teeth whitening preset in Photoshop. Let's start. Please make sure you follow the steps carefully. Adjust curves according to your preference, but still you can reduce the opacity when the effect is too much. Reduce black and white opacity to around 20%. Click Black and White layer and hold Alt, then click as shown below. Click Curves layer and hold Alt, then click. Lastly, go to Photo Filter Layer Mask, White Box, press Ctrl-I or Command-I on Mac to create an inverted layer. Select all layers and make a group by hitting Ctrl or Command-G. Get your brush and make sure you choose a soft brush opacity and flow at 100. Select Photo Filter Layer Black Box and start painting. I will reduce my curves to my desired opacity to prevent eyes and teeth from overshining. Now reduce the overall group opacity to any percentage that works for you. In the next tutorial I will be showing you on how you can save this action for future use, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching.